The Dirt Trax Nation knows that we're truck people. We use them a lot and we expect a lot out of them, and using a DiamondBack is one way to max out our capabilities. It's like Fort Knox, taking a vault with you everywhere that you go. But up until now, the HD series has stayed pretty much the same. While the base shape stays the same, the stuff that makes it work has been updated and designed for ease of install, ease of use, and long-term durability, because a DiamondBack cover comes with a lifetime warranty. Our new 3500 series GMC Duramax has an 8-foot box on it, and we spec'd it out that way because we knew the first accessory that we'd put on was a DiamondBack cover capable of carrying 2 ATVs. And the finish that we like the best is the super durable black bedliner type coating. Looks great, stands up to incredible abuse, offers greater traction, and well, it just looks super good on a truck. Up till now, the hinges on the black covers have always been stainless steel and pretty large. They work really well, but the engineering team at DiamondBack found a better way to hinge the front and rear panels that not only looks cleaner, but also reduces the size of the hinge and makes for a simpler install without the timing tab you previously had to line up when installing. Not to mention, they're a stronger and more durable design. The black hinges match really well with the black textured coating, and they tie in seamlessly, as do the new nylon tie-down cleats. They look like boat cleats, and that's because they are. Offering 1,200 pounds of tensile strength per cleat, these things are proven to keep a boat secure while waves bash it against the dock, so it's going to hold your ATV or side-by-side no problem as you drive. And on our HD 8-foot-long cover, we have 12 of these things, making it super easy to tie down 2 ATVs sideways or 1 side-by-side, all while staying safe and, most importantly, legal, while hauling up to 1,600 pounds topside. DiamondBack truck covers are built in the USA, and they're made for real securement and real security. So when they say they're like Fort Knox, they mean it. The dual deadbolt style locking mechanisms are similar to a gun safe. The huge die-cast zinc lock handles manipulate 3/8-inch rods that extend under your bed's top rolled lip. This means you're not getting in there if you don't have a key, and you'd be better off trying to tear through the tailgate than try to cut through this aluminum bolt. The 7 structural studs that reinforce the top sheet, along with the stainless steel hinges and hardware, are guaranteed for life and tip the scales at 115 total pounds. This isn't some offshore-made composite cover you might be able to walk on. This is a DiamondBack HD that'll hold 1,600 pounds. Now, keeping your stuff safe is important, but in my opinion, of equal importance is keeping your stuff dry inside the box of your truck. And we can attest to the fact that these covers keep stuff dry, as we've been running DiamondBacks for almost a decade. The use of a beefy neoprene perimeter gasket and gutters built into the center panel where the hinges are, along with the stainless hardware and lock cylinders that point rearwards, means your gear is gonna not just be safe, but dry, even when you're cruising at 80 in a rainstorm. And trust me, I've done it countless times. Telling you all of these great features isn't just me reading a brochure. It comes from firsthand experience installing and, more importantly, using our DiamondBack covers for hundreds of thousands of miles driving all across the North American continent. And it's still the only cover that we stand by. We're DiamondBack ready. Are you? It only takes 2 clicks to like and subscribe to our page, where you can check out a huge variety of ATV and side-by-side videos just like the one you watched.